Hello, hello. My name is Linda, also known as Torta Jala around the internet, and I love creative journaling and all things stationery. And I'm super excited to share the unboxing of this Traveler's Notebook 20th Anniversary Customization Set. For the 20th anniversary, Traveler's Company released the card size TN, and I do have an unboxing on my channel if you're interested. But to my surprise, they released another product, which is this beautiful tin that is released July 1st, 2026. And honestly, if you like Travelers Company products in general, you're going to like the look of this tin, right? It's totally on point in terms of the vintage travel design theme, and it's bigger than I thought. Right here, this is a Hobonichi A5 cover. You can see that it's almost the size of that. There's a little leather handle here on top, and then the printed tin. And the tin is just like completely decorated in terms of like the print of looking like it has, all these designs on it, but everything is just printed on it. This, by the way, is on sale at partner shops only. If you go to the Travelers Company USA website and click on Find Us in the navigation bar, it will take you to the shop locations finder for Travelers Company. And if you hover over the shops in the navigation bar, you'll see that there is an option for partner shops. So click on that, and then you'll see a list of all the partner shops in the world. So these are official partner shops approved by Travelers Company, and it means that they have the store stamp that you can put into your TN insert. And they will also sell some special items, including this special 20th anniversary tin. Now, I think that most places have already sold out of this on pre order. It was like at the end of May that the pre orders started, and of course, it was limit to one only. However, if you happen to live near to a partner shop, I suspect that the in store stock will be different from the online sales. So you should definitely call your partner shop if you have one nearby and find out. I would think that they would want to sell things in person as well as through pre order. So there is a possibility of still getting this. I also think that they will have it at caravans and special events. I think that Travelers Company has mentioned it. They also sell like that cute mini TN that they also released for the 20th anniversary events. So the mini TN looks like the one from the 10th anniversary, but it has like a face on it, and it's in a couple of the stickers and designs for the 20th anniversary as well. So if you are going to stationary events this summer that Travelers Company will be at, I wonder if they will have these products in celebration of their 20th anniversary. I would hope so. Otherwise, I would hope that there is a caravan event that will eventually make its way somewhere near to you as well. So don't despair. But either way, I would love to share with you a closer look at all of the contents in this 20th anniversary tin so we can all see what it's about. Okay, so the tin is sealed with just a little clear sticker. I almost thought it was already open because there was no other packaging around the actual tin itself. And when you open it up, all the contents are inside a brown paper bag. And the bottom of the tin actually has a really pretty design. It's so nice. And so the inside of the paper bag has all of the items packaged separately. And you also see a list of all of the contents of this tin on the back, on that label. And it's also like illustrated. So, first thing, the stickers. There are 11 different stickers, and every single design is different. So, let's take a closer look. First, there is this really cute stamp, Traveler's Post Office, and it definitely says 20th anniversary. And there's this like egg character, is what I'm thinking it is. He's holding like a little traveler's notebook. So is this like Humpty Dumpty? I don't know why I thought Humpty Dumpty, but is it an egg? I'm not really sure. Maybe it's just supposed to be an old man, but it looks like an egg to me. But hey, that might be a precursor to something. So keep that in mind. Then there is the Hello 20th I am a traveler sticker, and this is like the mini TN that they also have in some of the other 20th anniversary event sort of material. This is Traveler's Record. So we might have seen this illustration before, but it's obviously designed in a new way and it has 2006 to 2026 since it is the 20th anniversary. So, yeah, some of the graphics might be the same, but like updated. Same with this book. Like we've seen the book before. I think there's a stamp too from the from the caravan, but obviously this says 20th anniversary. Um, and so it is a little bit different. Then we have the train, which again is on the Traveler's Train TN as well, but this says commemorative ticket. It says 2006 to 2026, so definitely made for this particular tin. Then there is a hotel one, Traveler's Hotel, and again, that little um, what do you call that? Luggage is also a charm. And then we have this Traveler's Cafe, which I feel like was part of the Traveler's Diner, or was it part of like one of the sticker sets? I feel like I've seen this before, but how cool would it be if there was a TRC Cafe? Or can you get coffee at like the main Traveler's location in Tokyo in Japan? I don't mean the Starbucks one, but like the actual shop one, the main shop, the original shop? I think so. Um, but it would be cool if there were Travelers Cafes all over the world. Then there's Travelers Diner, which again might come from the Travelers Diner set, but this chef dude, I mean, he's holding like a TN and a pen, I think, but he looks a little high to me. What do you guys think? Oh, and then there is this 20th anniversary, the special flight for 20th anniversary Travelers Airline. So obviously giving a nod to the Travelers Airline TN. But I really like this design. It looks simultaneously like vintage retro and modern to me. Obviously like Pan Am, the blue, but yeah, I like it. Now we have one that says, "We are the Team Travelers, 20th anniversary of Traveler's Notebook 2006 to 2026." Was there something in the past that referenced team, or is this like foreshadowing for future theme or future stuff? Interesting. Then there is this 20th anniversary, which was on the card size, like that logo, banner and everything. That was definitely part of all the 20th anniversary items. So, yeah, these are all the stickers. Very cool, and I'm definitely already wondering like where are the themes and is there any foreshadowing? Like I think the train, the hotel, the records, those are from the specialty ends were released a couple of years ago. I've seen the books before that were from like Travel Tools, maybe. And then there's like the 20th anniversary ones. So the team one, the post office, the mini TN, those are definitely new, right? I don't know. Let me know if you have theories or your thoughts down below. Obviously, I love Traveler's Notebook and can't talk enough about it. So those are the stickers. And the next item are the rubber stamps, and these are the same size as the rubber stamps that came in like the Traveler's Train and I think Records, that whole series of TNs. But you've got two different designs this time. There's like the TN with the face, with the speech bubble, and then the Traveler's Notebook open with the regular logo. So you can definitely use it to like call out items or just create some deco. Let me know if you have ideas on how you would use that. Then for the two other items, there is a brass round charm and a special brass clip. So the round charm and the clip, they definitely look really gold and bright right now because these are not used. They're brand new, so they haven't had any like aging or patina happen to them. But let me show you. I took a picture of my card size TN with the charm on top of it, and there's a clip on the side there just so that you could see the sizing. So I think that the charm is pretty big in diameter. Um, I mean, you could add it to your card size TN, but I don't want to add anything to my card size since it is my wallet, and I don't want to make it like more clunky or like things that could get caught in it. But yeah, the charm is pretty big. And the charm has that traveler's globe on one side, and then the other side actually has the traveler's 20th anniversary sort of celebration kind of logo on it. And that same 20th anniversary logo text is also on the brass clip. So I wanted to show you a picture here of the old clip that's always been available next to the new clip that's for the 20th anniversary. So you can see that obviously it doesn't have patina, so it's like super shiny gold, but it also doesn't have the border. Like the design is just a little bit different in general, and it definitely highlights like since 2006. And finally, we have the history guide, which is like a passport sized insert that is already completely filled out for you because it basically goes through like every year of Traveler's Company so that you can see what perhaps significant things happened each year in the history of Traveler's Company and Traveler's Notebook. So I think this is very cool that they made it like this passport size so you can just add it to maybe a passport TN that you have that is like for storing all, TN things, which actually sort of works out for me because I actually started my passport TNs for documenting like I have a bunch of I have an insert where I document all the TNs I have in a passport TN insert. So this will fit there perfectly and go together. I'll definitely link it down below if you want to see a flip through of that passport TN that I created that I obviously will need to add to as I get more Travelers Company products. But yeah, I think that's very cool. So those are all the items in this commemorative tin, and I know that a lot of people just wanted the tin. Of course, you can use it for, storing items and such, but I would just put it on display on my desk because I think it's very cool. And like I said, if you are a fan of Traveler's Company, then you would like this because this is the style. The front of the tin just has like a bunch of actual stickers that have been a part of, different years. And then the inside has like this sort of whole setup of different graphics and things that I don't know if they've used before or not, but it definitely looks very cool. So in terms of pricing, this was 79 euro, or I'm assuming $79 elsewhere, or whatever the equivalent is. So it's definitely not cheap. Maybe if you priced each item separately, it would come close to that anyways. I don't know how you would price the tin. I guess that would be, another cost. But it's probably on par to the pricing that Travelers Company usually has for most of their products. Like if you're buying, a pack of stickers, the brass clip, like a brass charm, like how much do those cost, right? But yeah, it's not cheap, is what I mean. But I do hope that they sell these at events and it doesn't drive people to go to scalpers and people who are trying to sell it like amazingly overpriced, which is unfortunate. Um, yeah, so that is all I wanted to share. I just wanted to give you a look at this because I know it's not for everyone and not everyone would necessarily want it, but it's still fun to look at it and see all the things that are a part of the designs and also chit chat about if there's any foreshadowing and what the new theme for next year might be, because as we get into August and September, the new theme will be announced and the new planners will come out. So I'm definitely looking forward to all of that. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Is this tin worth it? Did you get one yourself? Were you able to find one at a physical partner shop, or are you gonna look for the future when there's a caravan? Please do let me know. I really appreciate you watching my video, and if you enjoyed this, please do hit the like button. If you want to see more stationery videos, subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a very lovely day. Until next time, bye.